In this video, we will illustrate how to put the machine back together after a regular maintenance service. First, insert the hoses back into place. Make sure it clicks. The longest hose connects into the middle nozzle. Next up is the brewer. Make sure you insert the pin into the hole of the brewer to avoid any jams. Insert the hose and twist as illustrated in the video to secure it. Make sure you're not missing the O-ring to avoid any leaks. Carefully place the pin inside the wheel of the brewer. Secure it back into place by screwing the gold knob. Make sure it's tight. Insert the mixing elbow and twist counterclockwise to secure it. Then connect the hoses that reach the closer. Also, connect the hose that goes into the brewer. Always double check the hoses to make sure they're in place and secure. Insert the water fitting into the bowl, then secure the bowl on top of the mixing elbow. Push all the way down. Insert the exhaust back into place. Make sure it clicks. Twist the nozzle if you feel they're in the way. Slide the coffee ground tray back into place. Also, the water waste tray, slide it all the way back. Always double check and make sure you're all the way against the wall of the machine. Once you finish, it's recommended to brew a couple coffees to ensure proper functionality of the machine.